This is our 2012 Aston Martin V12 Vantage. It is in the absolutely gorgeous morning frost white pearlescent paint. It sparkles, it shimmers, it shines. It's been machine polished by our in-house detailers to a mirror shine. You can see all that lovely pearlescent metallic fleck in the paint. It is a beauty. This is a 2012 car, two former owners. The current owner bought it in November 2018. So he's had it for the last 3 years and he's barely covered any miles. It is in beautiful condition and I think, in my opinion, the nicest V12 Vantage there is on the market today. Not just because of the paint, the condition, the maintenance. So this has got a full Aston Martin main dealer service history every single year, not a year missed, 2013, 14, 15, 16, etc., etc. The most recent one was done in the end of 2020, at the end of 2020, at 30,400 miles. So it means that there is nothing for you to do at all. The car comes with 3 keys, including the original glass jewel key, and of course the 2 other spare keys as well. You've got the book pack in the glove box with all the service stamps, V5, etc. Everything's there exactly as it should be. You've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres, 6mm at the back, 4mm on the fronts. You've got those superb carbon ceramic brakes, and this has got the gloss black Aston Martin branded brake caliper option. It's also got heated seats, it's got the sport seats, the full black leather with white stitching, and the 700 watt premium audio system, the Alcantara headliner, and these very special diamond turned split 5-spoke wheels were an option as well. And of course this paintwork was a superb option. You've got those superb looking clear tail lights, the V12 Vantage badge there. And what I love about this car is not just the colour, but then everything contrasting beautifully with the carbon fibre. So you've got this carbon fibre rear diffuser. And then if we go round, look at that paintwork. Just look at it. And I keep harping on about it, but isn't it stunning? It just takes your breath away. There's very little on the road today that looks as good as this. And may I say, you know, an appreciating classic, no less. Or certainly a modern classic. Got these superb air vents in the wings with the chrome trim here. We can, if you want, customize it. If you like, for example, we could wrap that in carbon fibre. But I think it looks lovely just the way it is. You've got those pop-out door handles there. You can see the carbon ceramic brake disc there. And I love these. Look at these full, real carbon fibre vents to the bonnet that only come on the V12 Vantage. And it just makes it look an absolute weapon. What a machine. That rear split, that lower splitter there, that's also carbon fibre. This has also got the parking sensors at the front. That was an option to have on this car. Look at that badge. Aston Martin. Says it all, really. So if you fancy being James Bond or your very own and have your very own Aston Martin, then please give us a call, because this is one car that's not to be missed. I have a feeling this is going to sell pretty damn quickly because this is unique in the fact that it's got that very special options list, the very special paintwork, and more importantly, it's a manual gearbox. Good old stick shift. Let's have a look inside. So we push that door handle. Now, first of all, what I love about the doors on all Astons now, they all open with that slanted upwards gate, which I think looks perfect. And then, of course, here you've got the carbon fibre on the trim, got your power folding wing mirrors and window switches. You've got the speakers there for the 700 watt premium audio system, and everything's covered in this lovely tactile black leather with the white stitching. Here you've got the plaque, V12 Vantage, handmade in England. You've got your handbrake here. Not the best place for handbrake, but that's where Aston Martin chose to put it. So there it is. Nevertheless, it works, it does the job. You've got these lovely sports seats, which are really comfortable. Electric adjustment. This one's got the heated seats option on both seats, which is there. And you've also got the lumbar and, sorry, not lumbar, the pneumatic adjustment for the bolsters. Electric adjustment there with the memory settings. That essential manual gearbox. 6-speed, 1 reverse, and perfection doesn't get any better than that. V12 power, manual gear shift, clutch pedal. Don't see many of those these days. Fantastic Aston Martin branded steering wheel. You've of course got multi-functions on the steering wheel, including cruise control and radio settings. You've got auto, lights, etc, etc. Here you've got your aluminium ringed the dials, and then of course that speedo that goes up to 220 miles an hour. Leather covered top to the cowling there. You've got the piano gloss black trim, that was another option. A fantastic key. The navigation as well, which folds in and out. Just pop that there. You've got your radio here, and then your climate control. Got the sat nav on there. Parking sensors front and back. Sport button, lock and unlock. Your tailgate button there. I'll pull up now. In here you've got your 12 volt socket. And Aston Martin, in their ingenuity, decided to give you an armrest. They would slot this very clever, very basic, but it works. Let's just figure out again how to open it. There we go. So in here is a cup holder and also a little arm support which traps underneath it with it all closed. Simple but functional. 2 tracker fobs if you'd like to activate the tracker, power outlet and phone connector, although that's probably going to be a little bit dated for most people. Much of the same on the passenger side, so carbon, leather and lashings of it. Your Aston Martin manual with all the service stamps in there. And like I say, if we flick through this, there is literally nothing missing at all, which is lovely to see. Here we go, vehicle provenance, V12 Vantage, morning frost white, obsidian black, piano black fascia. Mr. Stevie Hearn was the first owner from Lancaster Sevenoaks. Now, if we go to the service pages, which are here. Sorry, I'm just trying to do this with one hand while I'm holding the camera. So, date of delivery, March 2012. First service, March 2013 at 2194. Then you've got 2014 at 5,000. Then you've got 2015 at 10,000. 2016 at 17. 2017 at 20. 2018 at 25. 2018 again at the end of 2018 at 20. God, I can't make that out. I'd like to say 28, I think. And then, what's that? 27737. So apologies. So I think that must be 25039, and that must be 25324. So service literally. That was Aston Martin Leeds. So that was when our current owner bought it. So Aston Martin must have serviced it just before they supplied it, even though it wasn't actually due a service until later the following year. So they serviced it just before our owner bought it in November 2018 at 25324. He then had it serviced again in 2019 at 27737, and then again Aston Martin Leeds serviced it in November 2020 at 30147. We're now just over 30,000 miles as well. So that's all exactly as you'd want it, a full, complete, comprehensive Aston Martin service history. Is that closed? Yes. So let me show you the tailgate. There's this lovely, by the way, before I go to the tailgate, lovely Alcantara headliner which goes all the way down there. Here we go. So parcel shelf in place, everything exactly as you'd expect it. The warning triangle, everything's here as it should be. Fantastic, really nice to see. It's lovely to have a car that's got everything as it should be and is complete. Here you've got your fuel release, so you press that. So if we open the fuel cap, you've got this lovely aluminium fuel cover, which is great. Just close the boot, and then if we open the bonnet release catch, which is here, you can then open and see. Let's just pull that lever. Bear with me. Always hard to do these things with one hand. Bear with me, 2 secs. There we go. Right, look at that. 6 litre V12 Aston Martin beast. You can see the carbon fibre there on the vent. I can feel the heat because I've had it started up while I was moving it for photos. There's 2 banks of cylinders looking absolutely fantastic. What an engine. Look how big that engine is. They had to shoehorn it into their smallest car that they produce, essentially, excluding obviously their little Super Mini, which we won't class as an Aston Martin, but the smallest car they produce, which is the Vantage, which had the V8 in before, and they had to shoehorn this massive V12 into it. It sits nice far back for excellent handling. You've got the strut brace there as well. Fantastic, fantastic car. Really is a bit of kit, this. Got these lovely, even these gas struts are in polished steel, which is really, really nice. And this is finished in some lovely sort of textured paint. It's just everything's nice. It feels really, really well looked after and a really nice example. And that is pretty much it, folks. So I've shown you around our Aston Martin V12 Vantage. They're quite a rare car, so I think it's definitely something that is worthwhile watching. There's not much else to show you other than a bit of extra storage there. Like I said, we have everything, including keys, bookpack, V5, etc. And, what more could you want other than a manual V12 Aston Martin? Now then, if you have any queries or questions or anything you'd like to discuss on this car, please don't hesitate to give me a call, email, text. More than happy to discuss those with you. And of course, we do offer finance and part exchange. We do also offer nationwide delivery. And if you'd like to jump at the chance of owning this beautiful car, then please do get in touch. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video on this Aston, and I've certainly enjoyed making it. So thank you very, very much for watching. Hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos as they come up. We've got some really nice cars coming in, and we'll see you on the next one. Adios, good night.